guys, I'm doing one more fidget video. I'm going to do some more. I'm not going to stop. So I'm going to be doing cooking next time. So I made snapper out of my working track. I took this one apart to show you a demonstration. So make a cross like this. Oof, 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 oof. Oop. Oh. Try again. I accidentally messed it up. Sorry. Restart. I did that again. Like this. Then you want to fold the ends up. Like this. Then got a snapper. Some of you might know this. Some of you might not. That's why I did this. Just look. So I want you to choose which puppet you would more rather have. Grab this one. Oh, sorry. Turned out of these two. Would you like a tie-dye heart puppet or a tie-dye circle puppet? I like heart. This one's 55%, 45. I like this one, but this one just, I like it more. Oh no, I dropped it. Didn't mean to leave it. So, you choose. You might want to ask if you have a brother or sister, which one would that choose? Sorry. Oh, you're moving. Wow. It's probably, it doesn't really do much, but I still love it. 7.5 out of 10. So with your dimple, you want to check if it's a fake or real dimple. Mine's real. You might have different colours. Something that might be fake. Ooh, I dropped something. Sorry. I dropped my fidget. I'm putting it back in my fidget box. So, if you don't like your case of your dimple, I've done this with my dimple, but then I put it back together. Let's try to take it. It's working. Oh my god. You legit? Wow. This looks so cool. Gotta put it back though. Ooh. Oof. It's falling. Done. So if you don't like your case, you can fix it. I didn't clip it back on properly. Please clip back on properly. Just a minute. Yep, gone back on. This is epic. You can also change good side, bad side around. Some to the good side, some to the bad side. So, why can't I stop popping this? One more pop. Now, with fidget pack. I'm going to show you how to use them all. Also, I'm just playing with my fidgets right now. Which one would you rather? Oh, no, I also want to show you this. You're going to like this. It's a DIY fidget. I put water in a black balloon. And it makes that fizzy sound when you do too loud. Look. Do you hear it? If you don't, it's nice. Probably the best DIY fidgets I made. Maybe the second best. So, I really don't have much more to say. Wait, I do have one thing. Please like, subscribe, and follow, and share. Do whatever you want. But please like, subscribe. And also, if you want to see more fidget stuff, you can go into my friend's account, Piper Cabral, Piper space Cabral. She also has her fidgets. She has got new ones recently. She's got like 25 new ones from a fidget pack. And since it's my friend's birthday soon, I'm going to give her some of my fidgets. Ooh, my baby sister. What's wrong? It's okay, it's okay. Emmy, do you want this poppet?
No.
Do you want to be on camera? Say hi.
Hi.
You're so cute. Say please like, subscribe. Say can you say likes and subscribe?
Like and subscribe.
Yes. So see you guys soon. Bye.